Got a little something in the mail today. I know the boxes look all crazy. That's because I already opened them just to make sure it was what it was supposed to be. I'll insert pictures of how the boxes showed up. Been a little busy tonight, so I couldn't just get to them like I wanted to. But definitely going to do a little unboxing of what's here. I just need to cover the floor up so I can lay this stuff out, because it's a good bit of stuff. But stand by. We finally stripped everything down to bare metal to the best of my ability, and it definitely wasn't from the blast cabinet, because it just was not coming off. No matter what I did, it just did not want to come off. So I went and got some stripper and sprayed it down, and basically I had to strip and scrape and scrub and do whatever I could to get it off. But we're down to bare metal now. I gotta wipe stuff down real quick. We're gonna set up the powder coat stuff. The oven is on preheat. We're gonna get to town on this. I'm excited for this one. This is gonna turn out pretty cool. And yeah, I'll put a picture in of what I had to go through scraping this stuff off. But let's just say that my garage floor is stained orange. But I mean, it is what it is. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You want to get things done. So it is what it is. But I probably got some in my beard. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get everything set up so we can start spraying and do what we do.
Soundstripe. For somebody who just did this at home, I mean, it came out pretty good. I'm not going to say it was easy, because I had to coat a couple of this stuff a few times, because it definitely was not taken. Like the orange, after I cleaned everything, the orange still kept bleeding through, like no matter what I did. But I mean, I'm happy with it. There's a couple spots here and there, and I do plan on pulling it all back apart at one day and powder coating everything again. So, but for just on the fly to quickly powder coat something that was orange at one point in time and turn it black and white and add the white inlays on the black and all that stuff at home with a big wooden box and a household electric oven and a sandblast cabinet and stripper. And listen, this oven is not big, so this was not the easiest thing to do. But the reason I bought this oven was to make a big oven, so eventually I'm going to do that. But for what I got here, like just small compressor, Harbor Freight gun, you know, the basic stuff to powder coat something, I mean, it can be done. I'm not going to say it can't. I mean, I did a lot of stuff on this truck in the engine bay that I did here in this garage. So it's not something that can't be done. But it takes patience. It takes a little bit of time. But you can make this look really good. So now to install it all.